Here's how you can find archived emails on the Gmail app using your Android. So let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. So of course, on the main page, you can find some emails which you have received, and if you swipe left on them and technically even right, there is the ability to archive them. So it means that these are going to disappear from the main site. It's going to tell you that it's been archived, but you cannot really see where it is. If you go to the sections for the folders and the other parts of the email app, you don't really see the archive folder. Like, you can see some spam and like sent, important, whatever, but the archive is not there. The point is that the archived emails can be found part of the all mail folder. So when you go there, you will have the ability to see it right there. So if there is something which you have received and it is, you swipe it away to the archive, this is where you can find it, part of the all mail section. So this is how it actually works. It's pretty simple to be found, and obviously you can also search for it. If you know specifically what it is, you can also utilize the search feature, but the archived emails can be definitely found right here inside of the all mail section. So I hope I was able to help you out and assist you with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments, and I'm gonna catch you later in other future videos and tutorials like this one.